Is this a big pile of rocks and trucks? This is so cool, dude. Look at all these trucks. Got a bunch of Tonka construction trucks, man. Isn't that cool? This is cool, right, TJ? You like all these trucks here? That's a dozer. Oh, that's pretty cool. They're pushing rocks with it. Right? Got a lot of rocks in this bucket now. Nice job, buddy. Yo, guys, this place is so amazing. Can you guys see all of this? There's trucks everywhere. Huge pile of gravel. Over there, I got a little village we're gonna check out. They got a whole obstacle course of tires and a train in the middle. They got some farm animals up here. Oh, he did it. So yeah, say, I'm Hulk.
I'm Hulk.
I'm in jail, guys. I don't know how to get out of this place. Wait, TJ, how do I get out? How'd you get out? Are you in jail?
I want to go there.
That's how I get out of here? Am I allowed to go that way?